Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I have discussed about what is Node.js, right? Now we will work with this Node.js. So for working with the Node.js, first of all, we have to download this software. So that is totally free, one of the software. If you go to that Node.js official website as a nodejs.org, then they have the two download option as a current version, another is the recommended for most users. So I will always recommend it to download this part. Okay, that means the recommended for most user part. So if you click it in here, then automatically that will be downloaded in your system. So that is simple, one of the exe file. Here you have to simply click it and the next process, and that will be installed successfully. So make that sure you download this Node.js, and if you want to check it, you can also check it. Like here I have already created one of the folder in my desktop as a Node.js, right? So now I want to take this part, that means here I want to add this folder in our Visual Studio Code. Now here if you go to that file, I want to open this folder. I simply open this folder that is in our desktop. I have created one of the folder as a Node.js. Okay, so here you can see there is a Node.js folder. So I simply select this folder, now select it, and I make it as a trusted, okay, which is totally fine. And that is our Node.js folder. So into this Node.js folder, first of all, I want to create one of the file as an index, okay, index.js. So this type of one of the file I simply created. So friend, as I told you, make that sure you download Node.js and also make that sure you install this Node.js in your system. So if you want to check it's perfectly installed or not, you can also check it. Like that is our project folder here. If you open the terminal as a CMD, okay, into the CMD, I want to check with our Node.js is successfully installed or not. If you want to check it, that will be as a node and then hyphen as a v. Okay, so here if you that is actually our code. If you now click as a enter, now you can see right now currently I am using Node.js version as a 16.13.0. that means that is actually our current version. Okay, that is the most user recommended version. I have already downloaded and installed it in my system. For the reason system display our current version as a 16.13.0. so if you also want to run your terminal from your Visual Studio Code, you can also do it. So for doing this, you have to go to your Visual Studio Code, and if you go to that view, and then there is one of the terminal, just simply open this terminal, and now into this terminal here you can see that is actually the same things. Okay, now I want to run again as a node and then v. That means the node version I want to check it. You can see our result is just like that same result. Okay, that is our version right now. I'm using as a v16.13.0. that is our current version. Great. And I have already created one of the file as index.js. So here we'll work multiple project. I will step by step, everything will be more clear to you. So from our next video, we'll code for our Node.js. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.